For the thought I think towards is a thought of peace, not of evil, and to give you an expected end. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chichi Nwachukwu in the building. You guys are so amazing. I just want to use this opportunity to say I love you. Thanks for supporting me. If you are new in my channel, you are highly welcome. My name still remains Chichi Nwachukwu. It's all about being positive, guys. Today we're going to be talking about positive mind. Wow, my returning subscriber, you guys are so amazing. Thanks. May God bless you and bless you and bless you. Guys, let's dive into the main topic. Go and take your coffee. Yeah, you see, we are talking about being positive in whatever you're doing. Guys, you see, before you start a building or before you start doing whatever, you must have it in mind. You cannot just maybe wake up one day and start open a shop, start putting something in, you must plan, you must have it in mind. You must say, okay, this is what I want to do. And I believe that doing this, I think I'm going to be okay and I will be perfect and I know that I will make profits. You cannot just maybe wake up one morning, start a business, believing that miracle will just happen. It's about being positive. It's about your mindset. It's about what you have in mind. It's about, do you believe what you are doing? So that is why it's very important for us to be positive in what we are doing. You see, some people will just say, see, no need. I don't think I'll make it. It's normal. In my family, all of us, we graduated, no job. No need for me to even say, let me go look for a job. I can't waste my time. I'm just thinking of maybe, let me think of plan B. No. Then some will just embrace because already in your family, you believe that everybody is poor. For that, no one will be rich. See, no need for me to suffer. I know it's like that. My sister traveled to abroad, he came back with nothing. My brother traveled, he came back with nothing. Even the one in London is not every day is crying. No. For the thought I think towards a thought of peace, not of evil, and to give you an expected end. Until you start having positive mind, positive thinking. Look at yourself. Believe that, yes, I'm going to succeed in this business. I'm going to succeed in life. Even though maybe my father is poor, or even though I came in a poor home, that does not mean that we'll remain poor forever. I know that God will use me to break that yoke. God will use me to break it. I will succeed. I will be the head, not the tail. You see, until you start confess positive, because there is a power. You see, the power of life and tongue is in the power of life and death is in our tongue. There is power in this tongue. But if you don't believe in yourself, some people fail, not because of maybe they cannot do the business very well, but it's because of fear. Before they jump into the business, they already have this fear in them. Well, for them, they believe, okay, let me do I might. Entering into a business, you don't have positive mind. You don't believe that you are going to make it. The power of having positive mind. Have it in mind. You don't even believe that, wow, I want to build a house. Well, then you see, start working. That is why you have to be positive in what you're doing. Because you think, but as a man thinketh, as you think, so what is that thing that you are carried, you are still afraid of? There is this potential in you. Until you bring it out, then it starts manifesting. If you don't bring it out, it will not manifest. Believe in yourself. Believe in what you are carrying. Nobody has power over your life. Nobody can stop you. So when it's me seeing people moving out that scatter, going for one prophet, one pastor or whatever, looking for miracle, to pray for them, to succeed or that. At times I look at it like, do they really believe in the power of God? Because if you believe in God, believe in yourself, then it will work for you. There's nothing like maybe miracle without work. Even God himself work. God himself work. When God was working, he believed that, yes, that I'm going to do this, and I believe that this thing will be fine. Even when Jesus was selecting his apostles, he said, follow me. He select Peter, select this, he select, let's go. Jesus believed that going alone, yes, even going alone is okay, but going with apostles, there will be a help. Coming together to work together, I mean, it will be perfect. So why do I drive into that direction? You must believe in yourself. You must not be follow. Before you plan to do something in life, you must have positive mind. You must remove spirit of doubt, spirit of fear. Because by the time you start, you've not started something, but already you are afraid. You first of all discourage yourself. Discourage your mind. That's why I say positive mind. You want to build a house, you want to buy a house, you want to do this, you want to do this. But you must believe that, yes, this is what I love. Then you must believe in yourself that this is the potential in me that I must bring out. And I want you to know that on the process of you taking your step to your direction, taking your step to your breakthrough, there must be what? There must be a hindrance on the way. There must be what? A hindrance. But everything depends in you. Depend on you. If you don't have positive mind, then how can you make it in life? You know that you are traveling. Do you know if you will get there? Some people went and they didn't come back. Some people, they are driving on the way. They had an accident and that is the end. Do you want to tell me that if let's say they already have in mind that this travel that I'm making, I will not come back, they won't travel. They won't. But because you have a positive mind that I'm going out and I will come back. Because the Bible says my going and coming shall be blessed. I am different. Okay, let me give you an example. I've been in many offices. People would tell me, don't go. It's of no necessity. You are not qualified. There are some things that you need to have before you go to the office. I told them, don't worry. And I came back with testimony. So that is why you must be positive. You must. Without you being positive in life, for you to make it to be hard. Then the next one is don't copy. Don't do what? Don't copy. You might be asking, how do I mean by don't copy? Maybe because you see this person is selling orange and the person is making it. Let me use, or you see this person is, the person is, you said, okay, is this thing, what is orange? You start selling it. Or maybe this person is into, maybe, let's say, any business. Then you were like, oh, business, I'm very good in business. Within you know that you are not good in that business. But because she is doing it, that one is copy. But there is this original you. There is something that you carry. But you are afraid to bring it out. You are good in makeup. You know that, wow, I'm very good in fashion. You are good in singing. No, I'm very good at singing. You are good in dancing. I'm very good in dancing. You are good. You have your own. There's this thing that you know that you can do and do it better. Why not go for it? But wouldn't you say, I like to do it, but I'm afraid though. Am I going to make it? Am I sure? But there is this thing in you. I am here to encourage you. What is that thing that you are still thinking if you can make it? Original, I'm talking of being positive in mind. Bring out that potentials. It's just that YouTube, we are now into. The platform is open. Okay, what is that thing? They need original you. Bring it out. Then you were like, I can't. If you are not good in cooking, you are good in dancing. If you are not good in dancing, you are good in singing. If you are not good in singing, you are good in this. There must be this thing for the thought that I think towards you. It is a thought of peace, not of evil, to give you an expectation. But the fact remains that you are discouraging yourself. You believe that you are nothing. You cannot. Who told you that you cannot move forward? Who told you that the thought the Lord thinks towards you is not a thought of peace? You can make it. There is this potential in you that you're supposed to bring it out, to be a blessing to your generation, be a blessing to people who are watching you, to be a blessing to yourself. Stop sleeping. Look at your face and say, as from today, I will have a positive mind. Whatever I'm doing, I will be positive. Don't be negative. Some people already, before they start doing something, already you start having negative mind. And by the time you start having negative mind, at the end of the day, you might end up, maybe, that will not be your portion. End up being positive. Let me use that word. I don't like using negative. But if you are negative, people with negative always start something being negative and end up with negative. But people with positive, they start with positive. Guys, remember that you must go through. You must. It's normal. That is why the last video, if you have not watched that video, failure is not, it's not what? Disappointment is not a failure. So that is it. So you must go through. On the process of going through, it's your positive mind that will take you to your destination. That is why you have to be positive. People might not understand your good. Many people will tell you, this person, when are you going to be monetized? You don't want to monetize? Many people ask me this question. My journey I want you to have it in mind that your destiny are different from the person close to you. Our destiny are different. There are people that will start, they will just make it immediately. There are people that they will start within 1 year, 2 years. There are people that will start 3 years. But the difference between you and that person, you might start, you end up 4 years or 5 years before you make it. And if you come, you will overtake the person that thinks that he's everything. But all you need to do is for you to be positive and know where you are going. Where is your route? Where are you going? What do you have in mind? Do you have a goal? Do you believe that you will make it? You will close your ear. You don't even care. On the process, people you don't even believe, they will leave you. People that is following you. That is why you don't see people close to you during that time you are climbing step, like your friend. Until when you get there, that is when you will know the people that love you. I know many that started with me that ran away. On the process, they believe that, this is don't want to, I'm not moving forward. I will not be monetized. Some of them, people who are following me, encouraging me, so you don't be deceived with people who are following that time you are moving, you are booming. Your blessing is just flushing. No. It's people that will follow you to the end. There are many that will follow you at the end. All of them will leave you. Then God will bring the right person that will continue the journey with you. Until you are positive. If you don't have that positive mind, then it will be hard for you to reach your destination as you are climbing. Because during that time, no one is there to help you to reach to that your destination. Then you'll be tired because you don't have positive mind. But if you have positive mind, even if you don't see no one, you will focus and keep climbing until you get to your destination. So be positive in whatever you're doing. Bring out that potential in you. For the thought you think towards you, the thought of peace, not of evil, and to give an expected end. You are born to be a winner, not a loser. Stand up and say, I'm going to be positive. No matter the circumstances, never you give up in life. Go and be blessed and say, I will be positive. As from today, I will continue to move forward. I am not a loser, but I'm a winner. I'm unstoppable. I love you guys. Go and be blessed. Go and be blessed. Go and be blessed. I love you. Thanks for coming. Thanks. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Yeah, if you are new in my channel, I welcome you again. My name is Sirimenti Chinwachukwu. It's about being positive. I do vlogs. Yeah, information is a power. News once in a while. Give information of what is going on, guys. Being what? Positive in what you're doing is very important. Okay, guys, I just want to say I love you all. Don't forget to press the bell notification so each time I post a video, you'll be notified. Like, comment, share, and go and be blessed. I love you. Subscribe. I love you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Will you continue to be positive or negative? Be positive because you are born to be a winner. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye.